Click on the link below to get price. The WEN DF451i Super Quiet 4500-watt electric-start dual-fuel RV-ready portable inverter is a game-changer for campers, tailgaters, and anyone in need of reliable power on the go. This generator offers the flexibility of using both gasoline and propane, allowing for convenience and versatility depending on availability and preference. One of the standout features is its electric start function, which makes it incredibly easy to power up. Gone are the days of wrestling with pull cords, just a simple push of a button and the generator roars to life. This is especially appreciated after a long day of outdoor activities when you just want to kick back and relax. In terms of performance, the 4,500 watts of peak power capacity is impressive, delivering enough juice to run essential appliances like refrigerators, TVs, and even power tools. The inverter technology ensures that the power produced is clean and safe for sensitive electronics, making it an ideal choice for RV users. With a low THD, total harmonic distortion, rating, you can charge your devices without worry. Another significant advantage is its quiet operation, producing only 53 dB at quarter load, which is comparable to the sound of a normal conversation. This makes it perfect for use in campgrounds or residential areas where noise restrictions are in place. The built-in fuel gauge is a thoughtful addition, allowing users to monitor fuel levels easily, thereby preventing unexpected shutdowns. Portability is further enhanced by the generator's lightweight design and the included wheels and handle, making it easy to transport from one location to another. The construction feels sturdy and durable, promising longevity even with regular use. In summary, the WEN DF451i combines convenience, power, and quiet operation in a user-friendly package. Whether for recreational use or emergency backup, this generator stands out as a reliable and efficient option for anyone needing portable power.